I ended a little too abruptly in that last one. I just want to make sure it's clear where I'm at here. So I'm under the Laravel application, and I'm in the file called routes.php. Now, routes can be used to sort of send you off to another page. So, for example, let's see if I have a good example here. You know, you could have an admin page. Oh, I know where there's a good example. I think it's add new user. Yeah, so new user. If you go to that web page, new user, it'll send you to a view that I made. Okay, so you can definitely send people to separate views that I made, but you can also just do stuff right here in the routes.php. So what I wanted to talk about again was how I did this list problem. So I'm doing some authentication ahead of time. If you're not logged in, this kicks you back to the login page. But if you are logged in, first thing it does is says, who are you? So it grabs the ID, your user ID. Then it for you it grabs your record from the database. That's what this find command does. Now it's got everything it can figure out about you. So for example, one of the things I can do is figure out which problems are associated with you. So user arrow problems grabs all the problems that are associated with you. But what these are actually are models, and so then each problem. So for every single one of these, I say, okay, hey, can you grab the text for that problem? Awesome. And then type out has tags, and then can you figure out what tags that problem has using the database model? And so it says, okay, I grabbed all the tags, and then for each tag, go ahead and echo it and put a little comma in. So let me show you what that looks like. Here we go. Looks like this. So my super cool, I had 4 problems in there, but only the first one has ever had any tags associated with it. So these 3 tags have been associated with that cool problem, and I was able to print them all out with the simple echo command. So I didn't go through how I did the authentication. I did do the authentication piece as well, but I did that a couple of days ago. Maybe just really quickly I can show you what I did. So on the authentication side, I have a login page. Where's my get login? Shoot, I must have. Yeah, get login goes to pages login. So if I pull that up, that's this blade page, and I simply just say, hey, what's your username? What's your password? And submit. And then after you hit submit, now a different route is used. So now the route called, instead of the get route, you have to find the post login route. It looks like I copied and pasted it somewhere else. Let me scroll down. Here's post login. It's much longer. Post login. Well, it grabs the input that you submitted, username and password. I made this credentials array, which I had to do because of some weird business. Anyways, I made this credentials array. And then I said, hey, using the authorization function or model, can you attempt to log me in, please? And if it does, then it redirects to admin. And I'll show you what admin does in a second. If it doesn't, it says, sorry, you got some login errors. So over at admin, well, we just need to find the route called admin. Well, that's up here somewhere. And I know that I haven't organized this overly well. The route called admin says, hey, welcome. Good to see you. Yes, you made it to the admin page. And in fact, I can just go to admin right now and show you what that looks like. Oops. Oops. So if I just go to admin, I hope this works anyway. It says, welcome, Andy. You made it to admin. I see you're from Hamlin University. So how does that work? Well, it grabs my name because it looks to see who's logged in, and then for that user, you can grab what school I'm in, because school is one of the databases, or one of the tables, one of the fields in the table that I made. So that's a really brief view on how I did the authentication.